Hello everyone, and thank you for watching this video. This is a 2016 Lexus ES350. It is an amazing Lexus, fully loaded. I just wanted to give you a walk around just to show you how beautiful it is. It's only got 23,000 miles, and it was a trade-in to a new car franchise, and it's been fully serviced. As you can see, it's got the Lexus mats. Trunk is very, very clean. Tires and wheels all around are like brand new, for matching Goodyear tires. As you can see in the interior here, the leather is like brand new. I mean, it basically is a brand new car. Sunroof up there, smells clean. It was owned by non-smokers. It was meticulously cared for, and you can just tell just by looking at it. Look at that. Look at the carpet. Look at the leather. It is really like a brand new car. Only 23,000 miles, and it is still under the Lexus manufacturer warranty. And it has all the powered options right here, even lumbar support as well. And let's continue our walk around. And let's unlock. And let's get inside. Again, you have the powered options on the driver's side as well as the memory seat options. And let's get inside. Now, it's a V6, so it's very, very powerful, but it gets an impressive 31 miles per gallon, which is unheard of. Let's start. Push to start right here. Let's go ahead and put on the seatbelt. All right, let's press continue. Okay, and go to the menu. You can go to setup, phone, display. All the options that you would want are there. And it also has cooled and heated seats, which is really, really amazing. So you can stay super warm in the winter, and when it's really hot days like today, you can put on the cooled seats and enjoy. And it has a powered steering wheel as well, and the sunroof, we can open it. Opens very smoothly, very quietly, and it's very, very nice outside today. And again, it's only got 23,000 miles, but it's a very, very smooth running. Let me put on the radio. Alright, now let's quiet it down so you can hear how smooth this Lexus really is. So let me just brake right here. Okay, brakes are like new. Let's make a U-turn. Alright, I'm accelerating right now. Almost at 50. Very powerful, very smooth. Brakes, tires, everything on it is literally brand new. Coming to a stop sign, so let's brake. Okay, and then let's put it in reverse, and as you can see, has a backup camera, and it really guides you when you're backing up with the sensors. So if you are interested in a 2016 Lexus such as this one with low mileage, 23,000, this one is the nicest one out there. It literally is like brand new. Call us at your earliest convenience at 617-538-2099. Again, that's 617-538-2099. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.